Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day with me, Yohn. And today I want to share you a little bit about my English learning journey. I'm going to show you about some pictures from when I was practicing my English, whether I practicing my English indoor or outdoor. Wow. And I will also share short video clips from my English vlog. So this will be nice to share to you guys. So these pictures is the very first. Okay, one more. So these pictures is my first thumbnail YouTube from the very first day speaking in English. The very first thumbnail, which means I want to share you from the beginning. So from the beginning, my English was very bad. I couldn't speak properly. My pronunciation and grammar were very weak. Yeah, I didn't know how to respond when people spoke to me in English. Yeah. Uh, I was afraid of making mistake and feeling nervous when the time uh, to speak. Wow, that's the a very nice experience was making mistake. Okay, so the second thumbnail is about my 25th vlog. Yeah, but by the time shadowing, tongue twisters had helped me build more confidence. I even tried to make practice in English outside, outdoor, Gelora Bung Karno Stadium. You know about that, where a lot of people are playing right there, are playing, jogging, or another sports. But I just start my English. Wow. even though my English even though my English wasn't good enough, but I had a strong confidence that pushed me to do more practicing and stay outside my comfort zone. And you know, guys, back then, people stared at me. People stare at me, but I saying these words to myself. I have to do myself. I have to do myself. I have to do myself. I say it again and again. Wow, just to reduce the nervous that coming into my mind. So this is the third thumbnail, which meant my 37th vlog. And at this point, I realized that English is not only about grammar, pronunciations, but it's more than that. English is more about expressions and how I express ideas and align it to the topic that I'm talking about. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I don't know, and I didn't expect that that one has a lot of views than my previous video or my other video. And this is my fourth thumbnail, and this is my fourth thumbnail, and I forgot which vlog number this was, but I start to hands-on switch a little editing to make my video looks better, and also because I was so motivated from other channels also related to English as well, but how they bring the English, how they add for a little bit editing make the video looks better, and I so appreciate it. So that's why I try to make into my video to try on. And okay, so we get into the Vive thumbnail. So actually, this thumbnail is my, I don't know, but this thumbnail was taken when I was in an event, when I was assigned to an event, and I realized that I had a lot of things to practice down there because I met several foreigners that who were showcase their work, their stuff, and also I try to connect with them with a bit conversation. Hello, how are you? I just try to engage them to a little bit conversations, but I didn't get well to take them into discussion. Maybe my pronunciation was very bad back then, but I don't. Yeah, yes, I'm trying, but yeah, sometimes uh, sometimes everything has uh, their own way. And yeah, I guess okay. So that was the time I tried to show you to share you the thumbnail was taken when I was practicing my English. Yeah, I try to practicing my English even my English is not good enough for better or your guide. But I try to step by step, and I believe in myself. I could be a speaker in the futures. Thank you, guys.